All right, no mini engine Corvette here. I bought the golf balls at a stake sale, so let's do a video. $3 for the golf ball and the little thing. So let's see if we got anything. The first one that stood out which was a Nicholson Golden Bear. Look at that bear, rawr, bear. All right, and if y'all see anything that's worth anything, y'all let me know. The Cats always wants the Motor Tour 330 Spalding. All right. Another yellow one. It's a dot two. Spalding. You never know what you're going to find at these estate sales. Pro Staff. I can't pronounce that. My pronunciation skills are not good. All right. This is a Master 3 McGregor. All right. A XL Top Flight, but they got X's on it, so I don't know what that means. Spalding. All right, it's a dot 3 Dunlap. I thought you just made tires. A Max Flight with some X's on it too. That's like Dos Equis. Sweet Shot. Pro Staff. 1200 LT. That's like a truck. So I don't know. Y'all tell me. Pro Staff 4 for distance. Go to distance. All right, there's another yellow one. It's a Max Fly. Pro Staff Limited 3. I can't say that. Monitor. Golden Ram Plus. Oh, that's a monster there. Laser. I mean, that's something right there. You can drive it to the moon. All right. Top Flight XX. Pro Staff. That's another one that got them X's on it. So that must be coal or something. Or they're so bad they put X's on it. Spalding. Delta. That's an airplane. You get that thing and it flies like an airplane. All right. Another X's on that Max Flight. Got X's all on them. Some more X's Ultra. Wilson Pro Staff 4. Nothing stands out, but if you see something, let me know. A Dunlap. Dunlaps, they tough. I make good tire. A DDH2. Double downhill. The X is more on a Max. Let's see. That's got a bunch of dimples. XXX. Must not be no good. Max Flight. All right. HT10. Max Flight DDH2. Uh-oh, dropped that one. That's another Dunlap. Max Flight DDH2. Max Flight DDH2. Deep downhill. It's got them XX on it. So far, the Golden Bear is the only thing that's really stood out to me. XX, but for $2. Yeah, $3. Pro Staff 3. Got some trash. Pro Staff 3 Senior. That's what I am. All right, and Maximum or Maxim. Spalding Eagle 4. I think they're just worth what I paid for them. And Ram Tour. And then I got these 3 here. They're Ultras. but I am pretty sure that they are trash. I'm pretty sure that they will not Ultra. Huh. I wonder what that stands for. Huh. I don't know. Just when I look at them, I feel real sad. All right, y'all like and subscribe, have fun. People that know me, I know get that inside joke. All right, y'all have fun, like and subscribe. We'll see what we come up with next. I like doing these stupid little video. Worst YouTuber in the world. Y'all, let's have fun. All right, be safe. All right, tell them bye, kitty. Kitty cats don't like me doing stuff on this table without them. You can't get in there. Yep, there was another one in there. Oh, that was a rocket. All right, that picked my feelings up. Rocket. All right, have fun. Be safe. Y'all be careful out there. The world's crazy. Have a little fun. Appreciate it.